This is the unveiling of the Porsche GT3 RS Lego Technic. Up we go. Oh wow.
There's like a posh wheel.
That's it, you get posh wheels.
And then there's like wheels to put on.
And then we got a big book, haven't we?
Yeah.
Okay.
See to build.
And that's it. And then everything's labelled.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. For about an hour and a half we've got pretty much to there with the Porsche so far. We've put everything into bowls. It takes longer to you know, because there's so much stuff, it takes forever to find anything really. But yeah, we've still got a long way to go, and we're up onto these pages here now. So yeah, probably about an hour and a half in it's took us to get to there, and that's what we've got. Okay, so we're about 2 hours in now, and we are now on to about probably about 238, something like that. Still a very long way to go in the book, so we've only gone that far. Still got a different bowls here, finding that this is the best way to find the different bits of Lego. And the Porsche so far, we've got the front drive shafts and everything on it now. We've got the steering wheel. You can see everything working as it should and turning. There we go. Okay, and then we've also got the gearbox here. It's going to be a long old build, but as I said, I'd say probably 2.5 hours up to this point. So once we've got a bit further on, we'll film more to show you. Okay, right, it's about 3.5 hours in. The engine's built, all the cogs and drivetrain and everything, and we're pretty much now ready for box 2. So we'll have to open that and then load all the bowls up again like we did with the others. But yeah, it's quite a big car really. Right, here we are then, about 5 hours in. So we've got all the, see it's really starting to take shape now actually. So we've got the seats in there, bit of roll cage, all the engine, everything's fully built. And we're ready for box number 3 now. I think, which we'll start to see some panels and stuff go on. Okay, here we are. So we started to slowly put some of the panels on, and some of the lights there, the wheel arches, roof. We've got the bonnet here, lifts up and everything. So we're probably just over 6 hours, I think, in total. It's absolutely massive. Still a way to go though in the book, but perhaps finish it tomorrow night. So we're ready for box 4, which I think will be obviously the wheels and all of the rest of the trim and everything now. But it's absolutely fantastic. It's huge. So okay, I'll see you once it's fully built then, by the look of it. Okay, right, after about 8 hours, here's the finished Porsche. It's really good, it's really quite big actually. So, you're going to help Nicholas?
Yeah.
So here's my son, he's going to demonstrate.
So this goes like that.
Yeah, that's it.
You can put them back.
Yeah, the wing.
You can open the doors.
Yeah.
These pieces like flip over like round, and round again.
Okay.
Yep.
What else?
If you open the doors, there's a drive gear, second, neutral or reverse.
Alright, okay, let's have a look at the little gear stick then.
Okay.
Oh yeah, just in there, yeah.
And there's actual like turning wheels, like turn there.
Oh yeah, you can operate them from the steering wheel. Okay.
Right. You open this and you need to make like a little handbag.
Okay.
What might be like white or orange.
Okay, yeah, like a little bag. Okay. Right. And then is there anything else?
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Right, this goes up.
Right. Alright, that moves all over the place.
And then if you open that, you can see there's a GT3 RS 40 engine.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Roll cage.
Oh yeah, it's got the full roll cage inside, hasn't it?
Yeah. And I'll show you how it works now.
Okay, go on then, you have a little plate and I'll film you so everyone can see how big it is.
Oh no, whoopsie, sorry.
Oh, you've pulled the headlight off a bit. Okay, Nicholas. That's okay, don't worry. Can you pop it back on yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go, good boy. There we go. It's not going to use it as a toy all the time. I think it's more of a model, but we're letting her have a play with it now. Aren't we? Which is what it's all about, instead of it just gathering dust. But yeah, all in all, absolutely fantastic. I think it took over, I think it was 8 hours or so to build. So,
like a knob when you go backwards.
oh yeah.
It just goes like that noise.
Okay.
But you don't need to worry because it's just something with the cogs moving inside the actual body inside. You need to make there's like loads of cogs what work there.
Okay, alright.
Go forward, gears and everything.
Okay, right. So here, let me just take some of the shots, Nicholas, and then I'm going to end the video. So right, I hope you can see from our video that we've put up on YouTube that it's quite a hard one to make. But you know, we definitely recommend it, and you know, it's absolutely huge. Really, it's a big old model. Look, you can see the Hoover there. We haven't put the Hoover away. Look at the size of it to that. So, all right, okay, bye bye.